It turned out the way we thought it would turn out. There was no disappointment. We went through the process, we looked at the YouTube videos to help us, and then when it was done, that was a happy moment. That was like a, whoa, look at this. We can actually come out here now and get shade and go in our hot tub and get behind a mosquito net. We're the family that has the cottage. Everybody comes here. It allows us to extend our entertaining, and we get to go outside. As you can tell by inside our cottage and outside, we're kind of like modern cottage, and we felt that it was more modern. It wasn't bulky and big and chunky, and it was easy. You know, just go buy some lumber, a couple people, some friends, put it up. It's done in a day. So quick, easy, and aesthetically for us, it was perfect for what we were trying to achieve.